Array, others never going to, never have that much time to think about you, man. Just that 10 minutes you are going to talk. Array, your saree is ultimate. You where you bought. Your ornaments are too good. Where you bought. Just 10 minutes they are going to talk about you in that function. Okay. So you went to the function. The wonderful some 1 lakh rupee saree and with the huge ornaments kind of thing. You went to the saree. You went to the function. Then everyone saw. Wow, wow. Immediately their eyes is always on your neck only. Oh, how this necklace, how this, like here the thing you are missing is, I have this, that's why the people are giving that much importance for me. Like, no. This necklace is good. If I have this necklace, how I will be, like they are visualizing. What happened is, wow, everyone, all the people, eyes are not on the bride, all the people eyes are on me, on my necklace only. This lady felt wonderful happiness. Function got completed. She went back. All the relatives also went back. Then she made a phone call to her friend. Then she made a call. And how the function happened. Both went to that function, right? Like, yeah, wonderful. They did excellent way, the function. Okay, what else? What else? Like, nothing. Just I'm getting ready to go to the office. Now, office full work is there. Like, what else? This lady is expecting, if she is going to talk about her saree, if she is going to talk about her necklace, she is feeling very happy. But that lady is always telling her own problems. Her own problems. She never going to talk about saree. She never going to talk about necklace. That is the originality. The people, they may think about your show off for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Rest of the time, they have their own problems. They have their own issues. Okay, they require to spend the time on their priorities, not about your saree, not about your necklace, not about your car, not about your iPhone. That's why, if you don't need it, what you have to do?
Don't buy it.
If you don't need it, don't buy it. Don't buy it. Okay? Don't do the things to impress
Others.
others. Don't do the things to show off sake.